Mastering FLStudio, Tips and Tricks for Producers. Tip 1: Keyboard Shortcuts. Did you know that FLStudio is a playground for keyboard shortcuts? Press F1 to access a full list. Memorize the essentials to turbocharge your workflow. Tip 2: Pattern Clips Efficiency. Organize your workflow using pattern clips. Clone, merge, and split patterns easily with a right click. It keeps your project neat and your creativity flowing. Tip 3: Custom Templates. Save time with custom templates. Set up your frequently used instruments, effects, and mixer settings as a template. Instantly start new projects with your ideal setup. Tip 4: Layering and Grouping. Layer sounds for richness and depth. Group related tracks by selecting them, right-clicking, and choosing Group. Apply effects and adjustments collectively. Tip 5: Mixer Routing. Master the mixer by routing tracks efficiently. Right-click on a mixer track to send it to another. Create parallel processing chains for unique sounds. Tip 6: Piano Roll Tricks. Use the piano roll creatively. Experiment with strumming by holding Alt and dragging notes. Transform dull MIDI melodies into dynamic and human-like patterns. Tip 7: Automation Clips. Master automation for evolving sounds. Right-click on a parameter and select Create Automation Clip. Sculpt intricate changes over time. Tip 8: Edison. Embrace the power of Edison. Use it to record, edit, and manipulate audio. It's a versatile tool for sampling and sound design. Tip 9: Smart Disable for Effects. Preserve CPU power with Smart Disable for Effects. Right-click an effect and choose Smart Disable. It turns off the effect when not in use, saving resources. Tip 10: Performance Model. Rock the stage with Performance Mode. Press F9 to activate it. Trigger clips, loops, and effects in real time during live performances. Tip 11: Time Stretching Tricks. Stretch audio creatively with FLStudio's time stretching capabilities. Experiment with different algorithms for unique sonic textures. Tip 12: Sidechain Compression. Create a pumping effect with sidechain compression. Link your kick to the compressor on another track for a classic EDM sound. Tip 13: Mixing in Mono. Balance your mix by periodically checking it in mono. It reveals phase issues and ensures your track sounds great on any system. Tip 14: Shortcut Customization. Personalize your shortcuts. Head to Options, then General Settings, and finally, Shortcuts. Tailor the interface to match your workflow. Tip 15: Always experiment. Finally, never stop experimenting. FLStudio is a canvas for your creativity. Push boundaries, try new plugins, and forge your unique sound. 15 tips and tricks to elevate your FLStudio game. Whether you're crafting your next hit or experimenting with new sounds, these insights will set you on the path to music production mastery. Stay creative, and remember, the journey is as exciting as the destination.